candies and chocolates and many things. This plastic box or this plastic container is made from the plastic box of this empty plastic container of yogurt. This is a sweetened yogurt. This is a product of Switzerland. Look at this. This is an empty plastic. Then I decorated with this tassel lace. This tassel lace is used for making decorations for the curtains. Since I am also making some curtains at home, so I get an idea to decorate this plastic box from the yogurt box so that I can reuse this plastic box from yogurt and I can reuse this for many purpose. So let us recycle our waste in order to minimize our garbage, and in this way we can keep our environment clean, and let us support the global campaign to recycle the waste. So I hope you get an idea on how to recycle your plastic waste and reuse as a multi-purpose basket or organizer. Okay, so I hope you continue to watch my channel so that you will be updated and you will learn many things from this channel. I am sharing my ideas to you on how to recycle and transform the waste into a very useful things. So please give a thumbs up if you like this project, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, S.G.M Creations and Tutorial from Switzerland. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga sumuporta sa akin. Merci, dankeschön, grazie, gracias, parestopoli, and shukriya, shukran to everyone. Ciao, auf Wiedersehen. Look at this. So this is now the transformation of the plastic box from the yogurt. Okay, so this is it. This is the, look at here, this is the comparison of the two. This is before and now this is the result. Bye bye.